Hi guys, welcome back to Janika Diaries. Hope you all are doing good. Today I have come up with yet another recipe which is popular in Mangalore and Udupi region, which is none other than a pickle made with Carissa corundus. Carissa corundus is a berry-sized fruit which is commonly used as a condiment in Indian pickle. It is rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium and iron. In coastal region like Udupi and Mangalore, it is popularly known as karanda. In Hindi, it is called karunda and Kannada kavale hannu. Here I have taken approximately 2 kgs of corundus. Wash it well for 2 to 3 times and allow the water to strain using a colander. Once all the water is drained, place the corundus in a clean cotton cloth, fold it and allow all the water to dry completely. Once dried, take a clean, dry and airtight jar and place one layer of corundus, one layer of rock salt and repeat the same and store it for a minimum of 8 to 10 days. Once in 2 days, mix the corundus this way. Do not use hands. It's been 12 days now and the berries are ready for pickle. Pour the corundus in a strainer and collect the salt water in a vessel. Now boil the salt water well and allow it to cool completely. For the masala, I have taken 250 gram of dry red chilli, 100 gram of mustard and 2 tablespoons of pepper. Dry the spices in sunlight for 1 to 1.5 hours if possible. Take a mixie jar and grind each spice separately. Now the chilli, mustard seeds and pepper are grinded separately. Take all these powders together and add 3-4 tablespoons of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of asafoetida and add the cool salt water little by little and mix it well. Add this corundus to the masala and mix well. For the seasoning, heat a kadai, add half cup of oil, add 14 to 15 cloves of garlic, fry till the color changes. Add few curry leaves, fry it well. Switch off the flame and let it cool. The seasoning is cooled completely. Now add it to the pickle and mix it well. The corundus pickle is ready. You can store it in the refrigerator for more than a year. If you like this recipe, please give us a like, share with your family and friends And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and do not forget to click on the bell icon. Until next recipe, take care guys. Bye bye. Stay safe.